Hi folks, it's Solomon here. So welcome back to the Mastering Binance Futures Trading course. In this particular video, I want to show you how to use Tradingview for analysis, how to use Tradingview as a professional trader. I will show you how to use every single icon, every single item for your analysis and how to navigate the Tradingview. So I'll go right to my screen and share every single detail with you. So do well to stay to the end of the video because I will help you understand how to use the Tradingview and how to also take analysis and execute your trades whenever you're trading in the crypto space. So guys, if you're joining us for the first time, this is actually the 5th video of this course. Go ahead and watch the rest of the videos so that you get all the details we have shared so far. And then do well to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. This is Mastering Binance Futures Trading. The goal is to make the beginner trader a professional in understanding how the futures market operates and how to navigate the Binance futures space. So let's get right to my screen and then I will show you everything about how to use Tradingview. So let's get right into it. Welcome here to my screen, guys. So obviously what we're going to do on this particular video is to do a walkthrough around tradingview.com, which is one of the very important tool you will need for your analysis, especially technical analysis, before you enter any trade. So I'm going to show you everything about the Tradingview. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to your browser and type tradingview.com. This is tradingview.com. You can see it right here. Then after you've done that, you need to click on get started, which will give you the option to sign up right here. You can go ahead and sign up. They have the pro version, they have the pro plus, and then the premium. These are for paid usage. If you don't want to pay for it, you can create a free account, which is easy to do. You can try free basic right here. So once you create an account here, the next thing you're going to do is hover down to where you see products. This is where you're going to see. If you log into your account, you're supposed to see your account right here. And then you come to product, click on charts. After clicking on charts, this is obviously what you're going to see. Let me remove everything here and then we're going to go through every single detail that I'm working on. Let me take it back to what you're supposed to see once you log in as a beginner. So this is obviously what you're going to see. Then this is your Tradingview, guys. So let's start from every single icon on this particular platform and how you're going to go about every single icon to do your analysis to be able to take trades on your Binance futures trading. So usually when you go to Binance, which is this one, you're supposed to see Tradingview just like that, but it is a bit limited. You will not be able to do so many things with this particular Tradingview. So if you are going deep into technical analysis, you can use the free version right here. Right here, you can have access to do a lot of analysis with different tools that are here. You have access to select different particular currencies. If you're trading Forex, you can have access to do analysis across different kind of pairs. So right up here, these are different icons of which I will explain everything to you. But first of all, let's change the color of the background. To change the color of your background, all you have to do is to right click. Once you right click, you come down to settings, or you can just simply come to where you see color theme, click on dark. So this is what you're going to see once you click on dark. So after clicking on dark, the next thing you will do is to hover around here. This is where you have your symbol, which is like your crypto pair. If you're trading Forex, that is your currency pair. You trade the best currency against the cut currency, then either way to be able to make profit. So if you want to change the pairs at any time, you just click on this. After clicking on that, you can go ahead and search for it, whatever kind of crypto you're looking for. Let's say ETH USDT. I want to trade Ethereum against USDT. Once you click on that, you will see your chart will just pop up. This is your chart right here, you can see. So this is basically how to change the symbols. If you come here, you can go ahead and search the symbol and then it will automatically bring it right here for you. So the next thing to check is the compare option. When you click on compare option, you can just go ahead and compare the movement of this chart right against that particular crypto you want to compare with. Let's say I want to compare the movement of Ethereum and then BTC. I'll click on that and go ahead and type BTC. Clicking on BTC, this is BTC. I'll click on that. I'll just select one of these then you obviously see the chart. The comparison is here. You see the comparison. This is the comparison between BTC and Ethereum. So I'll just go ahead and remove it, click on that, and then uncheck it. So this is how to compare. And then right up here you have your time frame. It's a very good weapon in doing your analysis. So you can click on that and select different time frames. In the subsequent lesson I will show you how to use different time frames, but you can go ahead and select maybe the daily time frame. You can change it to 30 minutes, you can change it to 20 minutes, you can change it to 5 minutes, or whatever time frame you feel comfortable. In the previous video about candlesticks, I've actually shown you the very in-depth knowledge of how time frames operate. They are just like calendar. So every candlestick here represents the time frame, the price movement within that time frame. So if it is 5 minutes, we have 5-minute candle, and then if you zoom down you can have up to 2 minutes in Tradingview and even seconds. So let's check it back to our weekly time frame and then leave it there. So right up here you can see the candles. If you have not watched the tutorial on candlesticks, you are actually missing out. Go ahead and watch it. It is right displayed on your screen right now. Go ahead and click on that and then watch from the beginning of this particular course. And right up here you can see your indicators. Indicators are very important if you know how to use them. Even though I don't use them mostly, if you click on indicators you have option to select any kind of indicator you want. If you want to use RSI, whatever kind of indicator you want, you can go ahead and select it, then it will add it up to your chart. If I want to use volume, I'll just go ahead and click on volume, then I'll select volume indicator. It will just automatically appear on my chart. So let me go back. This is volume, you can see it right here. So once you are able to select your indicators, you can change, just put it according to your chart how you want it to be. You can have indicator templates, whatever templates you want to use. You can just go ahead and use what you know to use better, and then you can set alert on a particular crypto pair, or you can set alert on a particular currency pair to notify you whenever that particular pair reaches a certain price you are targeting. Then you can just go ahead and make your trades. You can use replay, even though I've not used replay that much, but you can use it to just replay a particular price action that has passed maybe in the previous movement of the market. So right here you can see this is the select layout. If you click on that, you can actually, if you have paid for it, this is for paid version, you can use multiple charts. You can compare different charts and then they will display just like the way you are seeing it right up here. You can have 4 charts, you can have 3 charts, you can have 2 charts. It's not a paid version I'm using, that's why you will not see that. I use this only for analysis. So right here you can also see where you can save your templates. For example, if you come here and create maybe a 4 chart template, maybe you are doing correlation trading, you can go ahead and save your chart so that anytime you come, you just click on it and pull it back, and then you will see all the options right here. You just bring it to this place and then you will go ahead and just do your analysis without creating it from scratch. So the next thing is this particular search button. You can search for tools or function automatically right here, and then right here you can zoom it out so that you can see every detail. Just have your charts here. Let me just click on escape and then you have to come back. You have a camera option that you can use to just take a snapshot. If you want to snap everything here, you just click on that and then it will snap, and then download to your PC so that you can do subsequent analysis with it. So this is basically what all the icons on top of this are showing you. So let me actually show you this particular site. This is your watch list. A watch list is where you have all the pairs you are intending to trade displayed on. So you can come here and add. If you come right here, you can click on it and then add a symbol, whatever symbol you want to add. I can add, continue to add according to the number of pairs I want. They are right here. Anytime I want, I'll just click on it and drag it and keep right here, and then it will automatically change. So you can see it has automatically changed to BTC USD3. Whatever you want to use, just go ahead and double click and then it will have. If you want to remove a PA from your watch list, you just click on this. You can see the cancel icon. You can go ahead and cancel it. If you don't want it right there, you can go ahead and cancel it. And then you can increase the size by toggling it around. You just put your cursor right here. You can just go ahead and increase it and reduce it, whichever way you want it to be. If you want to share this particular watch list with maybe your friends, with your social media platform, if you have followers, you simply come here. If you click on that, you can just go ahead and share it on Twitter. You can share it on Facebook, whatever platform you are using. So you'll be able to share this with your followers so that they will see exactly what peers or what cryptos you are watching, you're putting your eyes on. This is actually about the peers, and then down here you can see the price of that PA displayed and every single detail and information of which is showing you in percentage and different kind of information and data that you need to do your analysis properly. And then right here you can see watch list. If you click on this, it's just going to show you the alerts you have. There are different things that are here, just where you see your news, your updates, and whatever you want to use. I don't usually use those ones. I just focus on my watch list. If you want to go ahead, subsequently when you keep using this, you get used to every single icon right here. So let's move to the left hand side where we have all the analysis tools right here. And then right up here, guys, you can actually see that we have Ethereum and Theta US in full, not just the abbreviation of it. And then we have the time frame. This is Binance Tradingview. Then we can take it up, we can bring it back if we want. This one too, we can change the color. This is basically showing you everything in this particular chart in a short form. So right here, this is where you have all your arrows, you have your crosshair, you have your dot. If I want to use a crosshair, you can see a crosshair is different from the arrow that I'm using, which I'm just using it to toggle around. If you come back to your crosshair, this is it. You can bring it, take it back. So this is your crosshair. If you want to use a crosshair, you can use it. If you want to use arrow, you can use it, or eraser. If you have drawn anything for any reason, you can use the eraser to cancel it. So let me take it back to the arrow. And then the second icon here is an icon that contains all your technical tools for drawing. You see, you have the trend line. If you want to use it for favorite, if you are always on your chart, you can go ahead and click on this star to just automatically add it up here. I'll go to horizontal line, click on that, horizontal ray. If I want to use ray, whatever I'm using consistently, I can just go ahead and click on the star icon, and then it will automatically add it up here, so that I wouldn't be just going here and coming back. We'll just go ahead and click one and then have it draw my trend line and then keep it right here. I will show you how to use the trend line subsequently. Just click on that, change the color. So basically, to use Tradingview is easy. If you have used MT4, it's just a little transition. Almost everything is the same. You can go ahead and do the settings. If I want to change settings here, I can go ahead and change settings. Coming down to the next one is this particular icon where you have your Fibonacci tool. If you have used Fibonacci, it's very important for you to use it. You can check price retracement level, and then you can make your trade decisions after checking it. You can change the color of your Fibonacci. Whatever color you are looking for, you can go ahead and change it. Let me remove every drawing here and then remove every indicator, so that I will not have any indicator right there. I will go back and remove everything here. If you click on this, they can go back without any stress. So the next thing to check is this particular brush. If you click on it, you can put your cursor right here. You can see, once you see that arrow, it means it has so many other icons that you can select from. You can see right here you have the brush. The brush is mostly for writing. If you want to write on this, you can go ahead and write. You can say hello. You can go ahead and write on your chart. Okay, it's pretty much easy, even though it's not as smooth as you want it. So I can go ahead and click on this and remove all drawings, and then it will automatically go out. Come back to my arrow and then show you the options. You can also have a rectangle which you can use to draw. You can see it. You can just click on it, and then if you want to change the color to maybe yellow, you can change it, and then the fill, you can change it to yellow too. So it's basically easy to use this particular icon to be able to draw or mark a particular level that you want price to behave somehow on. So it's easy to use it. I hope you're getting value from every single information I'm sharing here. You can use the text. You can go ahead and write anything you want to write. If you just click on that, you can say, I want to buy at this level. So you can go ahead and just write anything you want to write. See, you can bring it and keep it here. So anytime, if you click on it, you can even change the color. If you want a white color, you can have it right there. Anytime maybe you are doing analysis and you're sharing it with people, you can just go ahead and show it right there. So let me remove every drawing right here so that you can come back to normal. Or you can use the call out option. You can just say, can bring it right here and keep it and write the same thing. I want to buy at this level. Okay, so it's almost the same thing you are doing. So basically, you are just trying to use these icons for your own goal. So down here is an icon that I don't usually use. I don't know, maybe you can go ahead and check it, you can play around it to know more about it. But down here you have the position. You bring this, if you have seen this particular icon, is where you are marking your positions. You put it where price is or where your entry level is. You adjust your stop loss, and then maybe you take profit, you check it back up here, then you have it there. You can change the color also of this at any time you want. You can say I want more red than this. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with this. You can move it around, you can just go ahead and delete it. Coming back again, you have your focus, you have your range and date. I use both this date and range price. If I want to check the bear market for this year, okay, the bear market that started from here down to this level right here, you can just put it right there, down to this level. This is the whole movement of this bear movement. We have 81% movement that this particular crypto did within how many days? We can see 350 days. That's almost 50 bars. It's a weekly candle. You can see it's 50 bars, and then it's giving you just the information you need to be able to make informed decision. If for any reason you want to check the previous bear market, you can go ahead and check it from there. So the bear market lasted for 350 days. We don't know how long it will be. Maybe we can take out this level again. Let me remove this. We probably may just take out this level and create a new lower low, and then maybe retrace back and continue. We don't know how far it will go, or market will just go ahead and hit this level and come down again. So we are just watching the market. We do analysis and we trade. We are currently in a bear market, so you can always do analysis with this particular tool. It's so amazing to use it. I will show you the basics of price action subsequently in this code. You can trade without indicators, just by pure price action. It's everything I've learned over my years of trading that I'm going to show you. So the rest of the icons, I don't usually use them, like the magnets and all those ones. You can go ahead and check them and see for yourself if they are important for you. You can use them subsequently. Okay, so this is basically what you use here. Once you have used this one, you can always come back to your Binance futures and then maybe take your trades from here. Go ahead and take your trades from here. So let me take it back to the view we are used to. This is the view. You can always take your trades from here after doing your analysis, which is easy to do. So what this particular trading view gives you, it gives you different kinds of symbol, but the Binance one has limited symbols. Mostly cryptos that are only on Binance. You can do more analysis on cryptos that are not on Binance on your web-based trading view. So it's important to use that for your analysis if you want to use it. And then another thing I've not shown you is that you can change the colors of your candle. You can remove the grids. If you come here to settings, this is settings, the right here to symbol, you can change the color. If I take this right here, let me adjust it a bit so that you will see everything I'm doing. The body is this particular body. If you click on this, the body will just disappear. Remember the candlestick lessons, you will know that this is important. If you want to bring it back, you just click on that. Borders, it's just the border around it. You will not be able to see it probably if the color is the same. You click on that and then you come back. The wick is the tail. You can see if you don't want to see the wick, you simply untick this. Remember, in our candlestick lesson, it's important that you watch this. You watch this. So it's very easy to use this last price to just show you where the price has gone the last time, high and low of that particular maybe week of that particular range. The high and low, you can see a tiny lines appear and disappear. Bid and ask price is also important. If you want to see it, is here. You can see this red line changing. You can actually change this one maybe to another color. You can simply increase the size if you wish. This is the size so that you will see it properly. You just see it right here. If I take it back, can you see it? So you can actually go ahead and do that if you want to do it. Let me take it back to this. So this is basically how to go about your trading view. It's pretty much easy. You can remove these grid lines I told you. Or you can also find the settings. When you right click, you click down to settings. You can come to status line. You can change background from here. You can do a lot of things. Scale, appearance is where you have the very grid lines I was telling you. I'll change it to black so that you will not see it completely from there. And then I will change the other horizontal grids. I've completely removed the grids. You can see behind it there is no grids. So you can come to appearances and you can put watermark. You can see you can just put watermark. Watermark is simply you will see these particular icons or symbol behind this particular chart. Let me change it to a color that will be a bit brighter so that you will see what I'm saying. If you take it like this, so you will see the watermark. You can see this is the watermark that I'm seeing. So you can remove it if you wish. You come to appearances and then untick it. It will no longer be there. So you can go ahead and check. Most of these things are easy and self-explanatory. Go ahead and check it. Basically, this is all about your trading view. You can use it for analysis. The same thing right here. You can go ahead and use it. You can come to settings. The same options right here. It's pretty much easy to use. You go to appearance. Then you can also tick your watermark if you want to see your watermark, and then you click on OK. If you wish to see your watermark and then you click on OK, you can actually see it. But I don't want any watermark, so I'll go ahead and untick it, and then I have my chart right here. So guys, this is the basics of your trading view. Kindly go and watch every single detail we have done, and then make sure you subscribe if this is the first time you're coming across this video. We are in the 5th lesson of this particular course. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and watch all the videos. This is Binance futures trading course for beginners. I want to take you through every single information and detail you need to start trading in the Binance futures. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you click on the video that is right displayed on your screen to watch the next video. Now, thank you for watching.